Hello and welcome back. Let me show you how to solve this physics question. All right, this is jam and this is a question under gravitational field. All right, the question says the Earth is 4 times the size of the Moon, and the acceleration due to gravity on Earth is 80 times that on the Moon. The ratio of the mass of the Moon to that of Earth is, that means from this question we are asked to find the ratio of the mass of Moon to that of Earth. All right, first of all, let's pick out the parameter. Whenever you're given any question in physics, the first thing you should do is to pick out the parameters. So let's pick out the parameters. What are we given from the question? The Earth is 4 times the size of the Moon. That means that the radius of the Earth equals 4 times the radius of the Moon. So we say the radius of Earth equals 4 times the radius of the Moon. That's the first one. Now we are done with that. So the next question says the Earth is 4 times the size of the Moon, and the acceleration due to gravity on Earth, that is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth, equals 80 times that on the Moon. So the acceleration due to gravity on Earth equals 80 times the acceleration due to gravity of the Moon. Acceleration due to gravity of Earth equals 80 times the acceleration due to gravity of Earth. All right. So the next one, we are asked to find the ratio of mass of Moon, ratio of mass of Moon to that of Earth, or the ratio of mass of Moon to that of Earth. All right. So this is what we have to find. This is what we have to find. So if we have this diagram, we have this diagram, we have this diagram like this. We have a nice diagram like this. Then we say, let this be the Moon, the radius of the Moon. Let's call it the radius of the Moon. And let's say this is the radius of the Earth. Let's also call this one the radius of the Earth. All right. Then from here, we are asked to find maybe the mass of Moon to that of Earth. Mass of Moon to that of Earth. All right. This is how the diagram will look like. This is how it will look like. All right. So let's proceed. After this, what do? Let's look for the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. If we look for the acceleration due to gravity on Earth, we'll have that acceleration due to gravity of Earth equals the gravitational constant multiplied by the mass of Earth all over the radius square of Earth. All over the radius square of what? Earth. So from here, if we cross multiply, let's make mass of Earth the subject of the formula. We have that gravity of Earth multiplied by radius square of Earth equals gravitational constant multiplied by mass of Earth. So to make mass of Earth the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by the constant, which is the big G. So this cancels out this, and we have mass of Earth equals gravity of Earth multiplied by radius square of Earth all over the big G. So we call this equation 1. So let's also find for the Moon, the gravity of Moon. Let's also find for the Moon. So we can say that this is just from here, gravity of Moon equals the gravitational constant multiplied by the mass of Moon all over the radius square of what? Moon. So if we cross multiply here to make the mass of Moon the subject of the formula, we have that gravity of Moon multiplied by radius square of Moon equals the big G multiplied by mass of Moon. All right, so what do we want? We want mass of Moon to be the subject of the formula. We divide both sides by big G. So this can cancel out this, and we have the mass of Moon equals gravity of Moon multiplied by radius square of Moon all over the big G, and this is equation 2. All right, so we are going to divide equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 by equation what? 1. Equation 2 by equation 1. So from here, clearly, what can we see? What can we see? This is our equation 1. So from here, we are going to divide this by saying, since we have asked to find the ratio of mass of Moon to that of Earth, so we say that this is ratio of mass of Moon all over the ratio of mass of Earth, which equals, our mass of Moon is what? Gravity of Moon multiplied by radius square of what? Moon all over what? The big G. all over the big G, and then divided by our mass of Earth is what? Gravity of Earth, radius square of Earth, all over what? The big G. So clearly, what do we have? This can cancel out what? This. And we are left with just gravity of moon multiplied by radius square of moon all over gravity of Earth multiplied by radius square of what? Earth. Alright, so from here, we find out that let's put in our values that we are given. Let's put in the values. So this implies that gravity of moon multiplied by radius square of moon all over gravity of Earth multiplied by radius square of what? Earth. So from here, we know that our gravity of moon is what? Gravity of moon, was it given? No. Gravity of moon was not given, so we leave it like that. Gravity of moon all over. Our gravity of Earth, was it given? Yes, gravity of Earth was given as 80 gm. That's 80 gm times. Our radius of moon, was it given? No, radius of moon was not given, so we leave it like that. Radius of moon all over. Was radius of Earth given? Yes, radius of Earth was given. So this is 4 ROM. 4 ROM all squared. 4 ROM all squared. All squared. 4 ROM all squared. Radius of Earth. 4 ROM all squared because of the square there. Alright, so from here, this implies that this can cancel out this clearly. And from here, if we simplify this, we have that this is 1 all over 80 times r root square all over. Now, from indices, we say that if we have a all over b all to power k, this equals a to power k all over b to power k. So these two will be distributed. So this is 4 squared and r root square of m. So 4 squared r root square of what? M. So what happens? This one here can cancel out this one. That one can cancel out. And from here, we know that the ratio of our mass of moon to that of Earth equals 1 all over 80 times 1 all over 4 squared is 16. 4 squared is 16. So mass of moon all over mass of Earth equals 1 times 1, there's 1 all over 80 times this gives us 1280. So therefore, the ratio of mass of moon to that of Earth, mass of moon is to mass of Earth equals 1 is to 1280. And this is the right answer for this question. All right, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section and do well to subscribe to this channel for more interesting problems like this.